Hey guys, I'm back. Today is going to be the Live Boldly with Revlon Colourstay foundation. So I'm going to apply the foundation, wear it for 24 hours or 12 hours most likely because I'm not going to sleep with it. But if I do fall asleep with it, I'm going to show you the whole process, what I look like and the finish, throughout the day, and then I'll come back at the end of the day and show you what I look like. So I'm not wearing any foundation over this today. Right now I'm looking a bit tired. Well, not too bad, But it's past 12 in the afternoon, so I'll come back to you guys after 12 a.m. to show you what I look like at the end of the day after 12 hours. And yeah, so I'm going to be using two of the foundations. I got the shades Caramel and Golden Caramel. That's the shades they sent to me to use for the Live Boldly campaign. So let's see if it covers up the whole face, if it does what it promises, because it says here that it's good for oily and combination skin, which I have. And it is wearable for 24 hours, up to 24 hours. So yeah, I can't wait to see what the finished look looks like and what it does, because I really want a good foundation and affordable ones, and I want to also recommend good foundation for you guys also. So yeah, if it works, we will definitely give this a go. We'll give it a thumbs up, but let's see. At the end of the day, I'll come back when I finish my whole face and then we're going from there. But yeah, I'm so excited to be part of this campaign. My brows is semi-done, it's not finished, but I'm ready to look cute. So we'll be right back. Sorry if you hear the kids making noise, but they're up right now. It's almost nap time. But I'm going to do a quick demo in natural lighting because I haven't turned on my ring light yet. This is just the natural lighting in London today. Not too bad, not too shabby. So I'm going to apply just one coat of this foundation with my beauty blender. And it comes with a pump. Oh, my hands. I was looking ashy, but they're not that ashy. So I'm just going to... Should I pump it up? Yeah, pump it on my face. So let's see if this color is true to color in natural lighting. And this is Caramel number 400. So I'm gonna just apply this, and then after that I'm gonna put on the other shade, which is Golden Caramel, which is a lighter color. And my nails just keep falling off this morning for some reason. But yeah, I'm just going to apply this foundation. I already primed my face with my ordinary primer. And I'm loving that primer right now. It's very good. I'm going to do a review on it. So far, it's covering my face quite well with just that little pump I put on. So that's natural lighting. It's very good, isn't it? Okay, so it maybe is medium to buildable to full coverage then. Alright, so I'm gonna finish apply this makeup and I'll come back with the finished look. I'm gonna use this lighter shade to contour, and yeah, then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like without setting my face. I put the concealer under my eyes, my forehead, and the places where it's meant to be. And I've used the other one, as a normal foundation, as you know. So, as I said, I've got Caramel, which is a dark one, and I used this to conceal. Looking good so far. Now I'm going to set it with my Sacha Buttercup, finish my face, and I'll be right back. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Look out for part 2 of this video where I show you where I wear up to 24 hours. Yes, I did. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching this video. And yeah, try out Revlon Colourstay. I really like it so far. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like and share. And I'll see you again soon.